Hey everyone, so today's video is just going to be a preview of some videos that I'll have upcoming. So my channel passed 1,000 subscribers today, so the 2nd of September 2020. I've just passed 1,000 subscribers, and to try and sort of celebrate that, I thought I'd order a few things that I had in the basket, so to speak, on the list of things to get. So in this video I'll literally just go through some of the items that I've actually ordered. So the first one is the Saramonic Blink 500, and this is the non-iPhone receiver model. What I'll do is, in the actual unboxing and review video for this particular product, I'll explain why I went for this particular version and not the, I believe it's the B4. This one's the B2, so this is the one where you just have a normal receiver. Along with that, I've also ordered the Rode Wireless Go system, so there will be a comparison coming up between both of those. For the Rode, you do also require a SC7 cable, which is a TRS to TRRS patch cable. It's basically so then the iPhone can actually, the microphone can talk to the iPhone and vice versa. And the final thing is something that I've had on my bucket list for quite a while, and that is the Lumetric clock. And the main reason for this is my daughter loves asking me every single day how many subscribers I have. So with this, she can just take a look at it once I've got that all set up. So essentially, we have 4 items that I'll be bringing videos on very shortly, so please stay tuned for those.